Do you want to be a sustainable fashionista? Here are a few easy tips. Tip number one: repair, don't replace. A simple stitch can save a garment, meaning you can repair your old clothes when they are damaged. Tip number two: swap clothes with friends and family. It's a fun and sustainable way to refresh your wardrobe. Tip number three: wash your clothes in cold water and air dry them. It's better for the environment and your clothes. Tip number four: support sustainable brands and prioritize ethical and eco friendly practices. Small changes can make a big difference. Let's be part of the solution.